Hello everyone, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and these are our colors today. We are going to be making a bloom, psychedelic bloom, hopefully something very bright. And I've used these colors in a pour, 2 pours before, but this time I'm changing up the order, and so we'll see how much of a difference that makes. So this is a custom purple, it's kind of like a bright purple. This is Liquitex Turquoise. This is Golden's Quinacradone Magenta. I love Golden's the best. And this is Golden Ben's something. I don't know. Yellow medium. So these are our colors. And we will be using black oxide cell activator. So we're doing a bloom. Let's see. Yeah, this one's first. How is everyone? I just got back from a trip for a few days going to Northern California in the beautiful woods with 2 of my daughters, and it was wonderful. It's just a girls trip, you know, those girls trips are the best. Anyway, okay, pillow paint I'm using is PPG Multipro, and let's put on some paint. More. There we go. All right. Okay, I can always put a little bit more on after I put the colors on. So let's go ahead and start with the purple. Beautiful purple. And Liquitex Turquoise. And we got Golden's Quinacradone Magenta. And we got our yellow, medium yellow. All right, I'm gonna need pop any bubbles that might be there. And we'll be using Oxide Black Cell Activator. Hair on that. Don't want that. Oh, and now I got a hair in there. Okay, let me get that out. There we go. Got it. Okay, fair amount. All right. Let's see. Today's blow dryer I'm using is the Flower blow dryer. I use it turned upside down, and it has the adapter on it. I see some bubbles, so let me just get those now. All right, let's go. Oh, I want to tell you, I use it on low. I find I get better control. Okay, I see beautiful multicolored cells popping up, and I'm just going to let that develop. Okay, let me see if I can coax a few more cells. hard to get them. See, like right here, I got some white. I don't like that. Okay. I'm just going to do some little bit doodling. Oh, it's hard to do anything with gloves. Pick something up. And one more. All right. Okay, I'm going to spin this out. Do I need to add a little paint? I don't know, but I will spread it out to the corners. All right, let me, not quite center. Pretty stuck to the bottom. All right. Clean off your tools. Okay, let's spin this out. Oh, I see, where's my skewer? If you see a little white, that's the pillow paint coming up. Very gently touch it. Don't go all the way down to the bottom, just lightly touch it. All right. Ooh. Oh, wow. Nice. Okay. Let me check how much paint is in the middle. Whoop, see, there's a dot. Whoop, they're popping up. You want to get those. I still got some paint that needs to come off. Okay, there we go. What do you think? I love it. I thought it might turn out a little brighter. It's a little darker than I thought. I think I put too much black. You know, I wonder if I add white. Maybe let me do it again after this one. And I'll add a white cell activator. That's probably going to be much brighter, right? Okay, let me get you down for a close-up. And we'll try again.